Hello everybody. Yesterday, after seeing a yellow flash at Kansas City on WonderMap, I filmed this pure white frequency flash on the loop on College of DuPage at the EAX nexrad station, Pleasant Hill or Kansas City, Missouri. Today I checked several times to see what the weather would be like. April the 19th, 7:25 EDT. Just checking because of that big flash I saw at Kansas City nexrad yesterday. Put on Titan storm tracking. The alerts. Earthquakes. Just this one, which we saw yesterday, Western Kentucky. 2.5. So it's not exactly Kansas City, it's to the north. Hastings and Omaha are getting some strong cells. And there's hail just north of Kansas City. So there's been a hailstorm moving over the river. Here we have Valley Doppler at Omaha, and there is a nuclear power station here called Fort Calhoun, which was completely flooded all last year. I have not found any news on Fort Calhoun since then, so we don't know if it's dry or flooded or what. Anyway, you can see this bad weather moving over to the north of Kansas City now. Back on Intellicast at a loop which finishes at 9:40 EDT, begins at 8:55 EDT. We have a kind of ghost storm over North Platte. It cuts out at 9:05 and then reappears at 9:30. Must be something wrong with the radar. Anyway, there's possible damaging wind over Kansas City. Lots of thunderstorms. All these green ones are strong cells. And there was hail when I switched it on. You can see here at North Platte there is a ring. Here on College of DuPage you can see the storm and the ring. And quite a lot of beams. Two here. And one here. I've moved over from Nebraska to Colorado. We can see these beams here. Now, are these sun spikes? Because these beams have been explained away before as a phenomenon that happens across the states in the morning as the sun comes up. This loop says it starts at 11:20, but perhaps in Colorado it isn't 11:20, it's earlier. So you can find that out by coming over to the visible satellite 48 image loop. 11:15 here, it's the thick of night in Colorado. So perhaps this is GMT. Sun is coming up here at 12:31 on this. A good 6 hours ahead. And that is when we were getting these sun spikes. quick look on College of DuPage at Hastings. Nothing special. Precipitation here moving across. And the frequencies are low down in the blue and greens. Bit of yellow. A weeny bit of orange in the middle. And the time is 13:53 at the end of the loop.